Hey everybody, welcome back to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out an extra large king-size heating pad as a body heating pad, on-off push switch, IC controller box with LED indicator, 6 temperature levels, 104 to 140 degrees, 4 timer levels to adjust, 30, 60, 90, and 120 minutes. Fuse inside of controller, hand and machine washable. All right. Here we go. As always, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can check this out on Amazon if you want to. It runs about $30. So let's don't choke on the bag, people. Has a nice little instruction booklet there, and there's a Velcro strap, and here it is. So dimensions, it's 1 foot by 1 foot wide, 2 feet long, so it's a good sized heating pad. And let's check out how long our cord is, because I think that's kind of important. Alright, so it has kind of like a 2-stage cord here. It's kind of interesting. It has the control panel here on a cord running to the heating pad and a second one going out. So that from the control is nearly 6 feet, and then from the control to the heating pad itself is a couple feet. So kind of a cool idea. Let's see. This looks like it is removable, but maybe not. Don't want to force it. Maybe I'll have to read the instructions. Might have some kind of a technique to do that. Anyways, looks like a pretty nice heating pad. First impression, it's fairly soft. It's very lightweight. Let's check out the little controller here. So it's got a heat indicator, 6 different LED lights here, and then also has the timer indicator too, so 30, 60, 90, and 120. So heat, timer button, on off switch. Okay, so first impression, looks like a nice little heating pad. Comes with this strap too. Let's see. So if you did want to have it on your back or whatever, it's not a bad idea. Sometimes you try to sit on one and it kind of slides down and gets bunched up. So this would be a good way to hold it onto your back or whatever. So that's pretty cool. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this product unboxing. I will be doing a review in the near future, and I'll be testing out the heat and everything like that. So I'll try to leave a leave a link in the description below to that video as well, so you guys can check that out. Thanks for watching this product unboxing. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.